Hello folks, it's been a while. So on this video I'm going to pick the lock and then show you the lock because it's that big. I just can't get a good camera angle, and I try to pick it flat on the table and it's that big. I just feel like I'm picking it across the other side of the room. So as you can see, turn that pops up, that would release it. This is just made of pure plastic, but we'll go into that. We'll see if we can get it picked. So I've just made this tool. I try to use made that tool, hacksaw blade. I pulled a little nib out of it and just put this stem into it, and Oxford key for the Oxford profile, a cheap Chinese pig. So we'll lock it up. So it's off moon with just the tinner lock, steering wheel lock, that's what it is. And just turn it, and there's your key button for that one. So that bottom one wasn't being a Nord cut because it couldn't get any feedback with a proper Autolok classic pig. So first things first, we zero it out and see if we can enjoy with this one. I think with this one, this picking tip, I've done it a bit too tiny, but we'll find out. Let's give it a go. Right, tension on, start from 1, 2, click on 3, 4, 5, 6, nothing on that one.
Can't stay away from you on Smooth Radio. Now, let's just imagine the party that's going to be going on in Las Vegas this weekend.
It's pretty quick that, like. So anyway, I will lock that back up, take the pig out, and let's have a look at the lock itself. It is massive. This was fitted to Subaru Impreza. Seconds. And there you go. Just see if I can zoom this out a touch. Just put that down tight there. As you can see, get the key in. You can see that's how big it is. So it's Autolok 2000 steering wheel lock. Just put that back there. I'm going to show you what the mechanism works. You see, you can turn, and that will pop up. As you can see, there's your mechanism there. Watch when I push it in, so it clicks in, and that is pure plastic. That, so I'm thinking to myself, and maybe what they call a chef's torch, what you use for soldering that. You probably could melt this. Probably, I don't know. I don't think it's going to be that strong. Like there's a code there. I don't know if that's the key code there. Like, right, I think it is. Like, it doesn't feel like it's got knots in, so I don't know if it is. But that's where your lock's housed inside there. A canny big lock, like. So there you go. There's the Autolok 2000. I will have more videos coming soon. It's just the summer's here. I'm enjoying the sun and enjoying my family. So I will catch you on the next one. Have a good summer and laters. Bye.